Hello children, and here we are back with our art and craft class. Children, in our today's class we are going to learn craft and we are going to learn how to make a flower pot with our collage art. So our topic is collage art. Now children, what is collage art? Standard 1st to 4th. Please listen here. Collage art is tearing of colorful papers into bits, tearing by hand, not with the scissors, and sticking them on the design you have drawn. I will show you. You will see afterwards. Now the things needed to make this work is, as you know, your drawing book, small or big. It is standard 5th to 8th, big book, drawing book. 1st to 4th, it is a small book. Then you are going to need your colorful craft papers here, your Fevicol and pencil to draw the shape of a flower vase. Now I have not shown you scissor here. That means you do not need a scissors here. You have to tear paper with your hand. Now children, how to draw a shape of a flower vase, I will show you on the blackboard. Please follow me there. Now you can see children here, you know the alphabet U. Everybody knows to write the alphabet U. So with the help of the alphabet U, you are going to make a flower vase. Now here, you are going to write the alphabet U in this way. And then twist it little from both the side, left and right, to give the shape for the vase. Now at the bottom here, you will draw lines in this way, going outside a little bit, and draw a straight line for the base of the vase. And on the top, you are going to join these two lines in this way. So children, we are going to make tri-color flower pot with 3 different colors. So this shape of a flower vase, you are going to divide into 3 parts. So you are going to divide this into 3 parts. This is the first part. Come down the second, and this is the third. So this is first part, this is second part, and this is the third part. In the first part, you are going to give blue color paper. You are going to stick here. So it can be light blue or dark blue. In the second one, you are going to paste yellow color paper. And in the third one, you are going to paste red color paper. Again, for the base here children, you are going to paste the same blue color here. So this is all you have to do in your drawing book. I will be showing you on the paper. Please follow me there. So children, you are going to hold your book in a vertical way, straight way, so your picture of a flower vase will be big. So holding your book in a vertical way, you are going to draw the same picture as I have drawn on the blackboard in your drawing book. Now you can see here, I have already drawn this picture for you on my paper. Can you see? A big picture here. Same way you are going to draw in your book. Now children, I have told you are going to take papers. So we have said blue, yellow and red. So blue color paper, yellow color paper and red color paper. All the 3 papers you are going to take. And as I have told you, you are not going to tear the paper with scissor. You are going to tear it with your hand in this way. So you are going to tear the papers into small bits. Can you see here? Small bits. So you can take any papers from newspaper, you can take papers from magazine colored papers, you can take papers from old wedding cards. Any papers you can use here for collage work. So children, you can see here, I have already thrown these papers into bits and kept ready for you. Can you see here? All the 3 colors, blue, yellow and red. As I have told you, first part is blue color, second part is yellow, and the third one is red in color. So we are going to paste all these bits of paper on this drawing of a flower vase. Now I am going to show you how to do it. Now the first one is blue color. So first, children, you are going to tear the papers and keep. Don't tear one by one and keep on sticking here. Tear it in one slot in this way and keep the papers ready. So the work will be very easy for you to paste. After that, you are going to take your Fevicol here. Apply Fevicol, not to bits of papers, but the portion you are going to paste the blue color. So little by little you are going to apply Fevicol here. And then you are going to paste these blue color strips on the shape in this way. Your shapes can be in any direction, not necessary it should be square or it should be triangle. When you are tearing paper, it is torn in any shape here. So this way you are going to stick complete blue color for the first part. Have you understood? Slowly and neatly you are going to paste this paper on the shape of the flower vase. So children, you can see I have finished pasting the blue color papers for the first part and the base of the flower vase as I have told you. I have torn these bits of paper with my hand and then pasted it on the first part and at the bottom. Now comes the second color. We are going to paste the yellow color in the second division we have made. Now you are going to apply the same format as we have done for the first one. You are going to take yellow color and tear into bits of paper. Can you see here? I have done for you. Then the same way you are going to apply Fevicol to the second part here and start pasting the yellow color papers you have torn and kept ready. I have told you, tear the pieces and keep ready for you to stick. It will be easy work. So these pieces can be small and big. Don't worry about that. So we are going to start pasting with the yellow color paper for the second division we have made. So children, we have completed the second part with pasting of yellow color paper. Now we are going to paste red color to the third part, that is at the bottom here. Now same method applicable for the same part, that is apply Fevicol and then stick bits of red color papers as you can see here. So children, same format here. Apply Fevicol to the third part and then start pasting the bits of paper you have torn here, red color. So because you are tearing the papers with your hand, white gaps will be seen, children, because we are not cutting it sharply with the scissors. So in this way we are going to paste red color papers. So children, you can see I have pasted all the three color paper bits here, that is blue, yellow and red, and then you can see your beautiful tri-color flower vase is ready. Children, I hope you liked this activity of collage work today. Children, you are going to do this activity work and submit it on the Google Classroom for your teachers to check it. For first to fourth children, I hope you understood it and you are going to do it accordingly as I have given instructions on the black board. So I am going to paste this flower vase here. You are going to do the same way in your book. So children, stay in the house and be safe. Thank you.